Your laptop dies during a crucial meeting. Panic sets in. You need power, but your charger is missing. You search frantically. Nothing fits your HP laptop. Frustration mounts. Time is ticking. Introducing PoE laptop charger, compatible with multiple HP models. 19.5 volts, 65 watts, or 45 watts. No problem. Blue tip size, 4.5 x 3mm. Perfect fit every time. Tested for electrical safety. No more dangerous chargers. Short circuit protection? Check. Overvoltage protection? Check. Overcurrent protection? Check. Internal overheating protection? Check. Super fast and reliable charging. Ideal for work, study, travel. Compact and portable design. Durable, withstands 20,000 bends. Certified safe for US and Canada. 12-month quality guarantee. Peace of mind for you. No more power worries. Stay connected. Stay productive. Tech-savvy users, this is for you. Get your PoE charger now. Reliable power for your HP laptop. Order today and never run out of power. Product details and link are given in the description.